Friends, let us note down the support and resistance levels of Bank Nifty spot for Tuesday the 10th of September 2024. This video describes the predicted values of support and resistance for Tuesday the 10th of September 2024 and also provides guidance on how to use these levels. Please subscribe this channel for regular updates and accurate levels. We have a table displaying the support and resistance values. We have the major resistance levels R1, R2, R3 and R4. Similarly, we also have major supports for tomorrow S1, S2, S3 and S4. Although these are the major levels, all other intermediate levels may be used with smaller targets. R1 and S1 generally serve as range boundaries. If the market is range-bound, the price moves within this range. R2 and S2 are breakout points for the upper and the lower sides respectively. If the market cross and sustain above R2 or below S2, the prices may reach R3 and R4 on the upper side or S3 and S4 on the lower side. Days on which the market is trending, it can reach even R6 or S6. If the CPR is relatively narrow, we will also provide R5 and R6 levels on the upper side while S5 and S6 levels on the lower side. Pivot point is central value around which the market is expected to move. The central pivot range CPR is the difference between top central pivot point, TC, and bottom central pivot point, BC. It can predict how market may perform on a particular day by considering its previous day performance. Narrow CPR indicates that markets may trend, while wide CPR indicates a more or less flat market, although this is an observation and not a rule. We should observe where the price opens in respect to the central pivot range CPR. In general, if the price is below CPR, the trend is down, while if the price is above CPR, the trend is upward. Also, if the price crosses CPR in any direction, this is an indication of a trend building up. Please draw the 9 major levels, which are pivot point, R1, R2, R3, R4, S1, S2, S3 and S4 on your chart. Also draw R5, R6, S5 and S6 if provided. Drawing other intermediate levels is optional depending on your style of trading. You may also draw the CPR by drawing a parallel channel on your chart. Support and resistance levels of a few in the money call options and in the money put options shall be provided in a short video very soon. Good night friends, and we shall meet tomorrow with a new analysis.